Hey guys, so we're gonna enter the medium difficulty questions for the Data Lemur SQL series. If you guys haven't watched the easy series, I'll leave a link down below or on the screen for you to check it out. We're probably gonna have 3 to 4 videos in the medium phase, and then we're gonna move on to the difficult questions. I hope you guys enjoyed the easy series, and I hope you guys will find some value with the medium and difficult series too. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first question we're gonna do is the user's third transaction from Uber. The question says we want to get the third transaction of every user from the transactions table. So just from that overview, my brain is thinking we're gonna use a row number window function to get the third number. So let's get right into it. Let's do select user ID spend transaction date. So I'm looking at the output variables that they want from transactions. My bad. Gotcha. So let's order this by user ID. And we see there's 3 for 3. So 3 users have 3 outputs. Let's expect 3 rows for results. And now we can go ahead and do the window function. So it's row number over partition by user ID, order by transaction date. So we want this based on the date, and let's call this RN. Let's also make it nicer. We want it to all fit in the screen. And let's run this. So yeah, what we can do here is get a CTE. Let's do with CTE as, and then do select user ID spend transaction date from CTE. Whoa. Where RN3. Great, that should be it. Let's submit. Perfect. Let's go on to the next question. Great, for the next question we'll be doing sending versus opening snaps from Snapchat. Let's query the table. I think there might be more than one table for this one. Yeah, there is. So here we're given a table of Snapchat users and their information. We want to look at the time spent opening and sending snaps, and we want to get the percentage of that time. So we're going to have to merge these 2 tables, of course. So let's do that. We want an inner join. User ID is their common column. So let's do age breakdown on ab.user ID equals to activities.user ID. Great, we see that there's 2 user ID columns, but we don't need user ID for the final output, so I won't fix that. But what I would do in that specific situation, I would coalesce both those columns to make one single column. Great, so we want age bucket, so that's ab.age bucket. And then what else do we want? So for this, we're going to do some case when activities.activity type equals to open, then 1 else 0, and as open count. And then we got to do the same thing, but for send instead of opened. Let's change this to send count. Let's try that. Yeah, we got a group by, so let's do a group by since there's an aggregate. Great, so that works. And then the formula we need to use is time spent over time spent plus opening. Gotcha. So sending over sending plus opening. We could make a column right here that is time spent, which just sums to both of those columns, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make a CTE and call that later on. So let's do with CTE as and then we can do select age bucket round. So we want a percentage, so we're gonna need a round. Let's do 100.0 open count over, let's do two decimal places as send or open purse, and then do the same thing, but send count and from CTE. That's it. Great, so this should be accurate. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. Feel free to leave some feedback down below in the comments. If you guys want more videos like this, leave a like down below and I'll try my best to keep pushing out these videos. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.